welcome to Minibus where little learners make big things happen.
Hey everyone, today's special is deliciously adorable. Say hello to the Jeff Teen's MasterChef activity where our tiny chefs are cooking up with confidence with no flames, just fun.
As a part of our life skills learning, students are trying their hands at simple, no-flame recipes like sandwiches, salads, and healthy snacks.
But it's not just about the food. They are learning hygiene, presentation, teamwork, and even a little bit of responsibility.
With every sprinkles and slice, they are building independence and discovering that learning can be tasty too.
That's all for now from Minibus.
Where tiny hands are creating big flavors and even bigger smiles.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Twin Time. Today we are super excited to talk about something that helping students find their voices. Public speaking sessions. As a part of a global making activities, these sessions are all about building confidence and learning to speak clearly and boldly. Students get fun and thoughtful topics to share their ideas, work on voice modulation and improve stage presence. It's helping us to become strong communicators and future leaders. So here is to speaking up and shining bright. This is Twin Times, where young voices lead the way. Bye bye and stay tuned.
Hey everyone and welcome to Senior School, where we spotlight creativity, passion and talent of our senior students.
Today we are diving into the colorful world of Creative Canvas, an artistic initiative under Global Learner Program at VZS School.
Through this platform, students are exploring different forms of visual art from oil pastel to charcoal sketches. And trust us, the results are stunning.
But it's more just than paint and paper. These sessions help students build patience, sharpen focus, and truly appreciate the beauty in every detail.
Each piece of art reflects a personal story, emotion, or thought, turning every canvas into a powerful form of self-expression.
Whether it's bold color or short strokes, our students are using art to connect, reflect, and create with purpose.
That's all for today on Senior School.
Where confidence meets creativity and every brushstroke tells a story. See you next time.
Have you noticed, Vaibhav, the most powerful conversations don't happen on grand stages, but quietly across the table between a teacher and a parent?
So true, Akshita. Those simple exchanges carry on hopes, dreams, and a shared vision.
Today, BZS turns that exchange into celebration.
Parent-teachers meet.
Come,
We'll take you to the corridors of BZS.
A celebration of partnerships, understanding, and unwavering support.
Parent walked in with hope and found joy not just in grades but in bubbling volcanoes, glowing circuits, and starry solar systems, all crafted by brilliant Justins.
My child made this. The pride in every parent's eyes said it all.
And in every corner, teachers shared more than marks, they shared stories, smiles, and progress.
Parents left not just with progress of their wards, but with renewed faith and hearts full of joy.
At BZS, we don't just track scores.
we celebrate dreams, nurture creativity, and walk hand in hand towards a brighter future.
That's all for Spotlight.
See you soon.